Good day, students. Today, we will talk about multiple alleles. So, when we say multiple alleles, these are the traits that have more than two alleles. So, the best example for this is blood types. So, the human blood types is a multiple allele consisting of blood types A, B, and O. So here, in this blood type, A and B are codominant with each other, while the recessive trait here is the recessive allele here is type O. So let's look at their phenotype. So here we have type A. Okay, the genotypes are IA for its homozygous. And for its heterozygous allele, we have IA small letter I. For type B, we have IB, both capital letter for its homozygous. And for its heterozygous, we have IB small letter I. Okay. Next, as I've said, types A and B are codominant with each other. So there comes what we call as type AB. So we have IA, IB. Okay, so kahit magkabaliktad yan, okay lang. Okay, so we have type O here, the recessive blood type. We have both small letter I. Okay, now let's have a cross. Let's say we have type A. So type A cross with type B. And let's say the A here is heterozygous. So we have I, A. A is superscript siya. Naka-superscript. And then I. And then let's say that the B here is also heterozygous. So we have I, B, and small I. So we have heterozygous A cross with another heterozygous which is B. Okay? So same thing, we need to make a Punnett square here. Okay? Punnett square. So, i-cross pa din natin sila using a Punnett square. Okay? Using lang natin. So, okay, buray na natin tong parents na to. Basta alam natin, heterozygous yan. Heterozygous A and heterozygous B. Okay? Next, we have yan natin yung parents. We have I, A, small letter I. And then I, B, small letter I. So, those are the parents. Okay? Now, we need to cross. Okay? So, yung magkatapat ulit. So, we have I, A, and then we have I, B. Okay? Next, second offspring. You have I, A. Okay? Dito po galing yan ha. Diyan, yung sa parent na yan. Diyan po yung galing yung IA na yan. Tapos, yung nasa taas niya is letter I, small letter. So, yan. Next, third offspring. We have I, B, and we have small letter I. Okay, how about fourth offspring? What do you think will be the result? So, kung papansin nyo dito, small letter I yan. Lalagay nyo siya dito. And then, another small letter I sa top. So, that's I small letter. Okay. Next, we have to analyze the offspring. Okay, in terms of its phenotype. Okay. Ano yung ginagawa natin dun sa Mendelian at saka sa non-Mendelian traits, gagawin din natin dito. So, what are the possible phenotypes? Okay. So, we have A, B, A, B, and O. Okay, so yun yung mga possible phenotypes. So, let's analyze one by one. Okay, so offspring number 1, IAIB. So, ano yung phenotype niyan? Okay? That is type AB. Okay? Next. How about this one? Second offspring. That is, okay, that is A. Okay, type A. Next. Third offspring. We have type B. And for the fourth offspring, we have type O. Okay? So, yan yung mga phenotypes na lalabas dyan sa atin. So, ilang percent yan? Ilang percent yung ating, yung A dyan? That is equal to, how many percent? That is equal to 25%. Okay? And then, for B, we have also 25%. Then, for AB, we have 25%. Okay? And then, for O, we have another 25%. So, yun yung mga phenotypes. How about the phenotypic ratio? Okay, 1:1:1:1. So, tigi-isa. So, sa cross ng both heterozygous A and B, lalabas yung 4 blood types. Okay, so remember that. Next, let us analyze their what you call that, genotypes. Okay, genotypes. So, ano yung mga genotypes na nandito? Let's analyze them one by one. Okay. Ito, yung first offspring, ano yung genotype niya? So, that is I, A, I, B. Okay. So, that is type AB. And then, second offspring, I, A, I. Okay. So, that is 1 also. Okay. That is type A, heterozygous A. Okay. So, that is heterozygous A. Okay. Next, we have I, B, I, which is also 1, that is heterozygous B. Okay. And then we have I, this is also 1, that is the recessive allele, which is the type O. Okay, so we have the genotypes, IAIB, isa, and then we have heterozygous A, isa, we have heterozygous B, isa rin, and we have homozygous II for the recessive O, which is equal to 1. Okay, now let's try to cross heterozygous A, so that's IAI with type O. Okay, so let's find out what will be the offspring if we cross this one. Okay, so again, we need to draw a Punnett square. Okay. Okay, so let us distribute now the parents. So you have IA, okay, I, then sa taas is I. Okay, now let us have the offspring. So offspring number 1, what will be our offspring number 1? So that is I, A, I. Okay, next offspring number 2 is I, A, I. Next, offspring number 3 is I, and 4, we also have I. Okay, now let us analyze their phenotypes. Okay. So, let's start with offspring number 1. So, si offspring number 1, ano yung phenotype niya? So, we have phenotype A, isa. Okay. Next, offspring number 2. Again, that is type A. Next, offspring number 3. We have type O. And offspring number 4 is also type O. So as you can see, we have two blood types, okay, of the offspring. So we have type A and type O. So we have here the phenotypic ratio. Ano ang phenotypic ratio? 2 is to 2. Okay? 2 type A blood type, and we have 2 blood type O. Okay? So that is the phenotypic ratio. In terms of the percentage, by the way, how many blood type A? So we have here 50% blood type A and another 50% blood type O. Okay? So let's look at their genotype. Okay? Genotype. Genotype. We have, okay, so for the genotype, let's analyze them one by one. So see, offspring number 1. So we have heterozygous A. Ilan siya? Isa. Next, sa offspring number 2 is another heterozygous A. Okay, and next we have homozygous, no? Homozygous O, that is equal to 1, and another homozygous O, which is equal to so magiging dalawa na yung homozygous natin, no? Which is actually the recessive trait here, the recessive allele rather. So the GR here would be equal to 2 is to 2. 2 heterozygous A and 2 recessive allele O. Okay, so that is your genotypic ratio.